Drag Week is one of our favorite events. 1,000-mile road trip, 5 days of racing. We're going to show you one of our favorite cars from Drag Week 2017. Every year at the end of the year, we end up with footage we haven't had a chance to get to, but we couldn't miss this one. Check it out.
Get more zip ties.
Bigger zip ties, right?
Jesus. Is it close?
It hasn't ran since 1956.
Still hasn't.
It still hasn't ran.
What do you have to finish up on it?
The other list will get a little shorter here. But yeah, I got to do charge pipes, some miscellaneous plumbing here. We left New York about 11 o'clock last night, and I had it just about started, but I had a little screw up. I had the belt drive system backwards. Not a big issue, I just had to pull it off and swap the inlet and outlet on it.
Yeah, and if nobody recognizes, this is the sketchy truck.
Yeah, stretchy truck
owner now with, what is this called?
The Dirty 30.
Dirty 30.
1930 Plymouth sedan. Sat in a barn since 1956, and I pulled it about a year and a half ago. And still really started busting
doors
butt on.
and all.
Yeah, suicide doors. It's got a bench seat all the way in the back. It's basically the same setup as in the truck. A little bigger turbos. A couple buckets up front.
With race seats.
Race seats, yeah. Pro car seats in it. Pretty comfy.
So it hasn't run yet. You're towing it into tech,
Yep.
and you're planning on getting it running before 2 p.m. tomorrow? There's zip ties to your radiator.
I have to pass tech here, okay? If you saw this car a week ago, you'd think I was nuts.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
I didn't think you were going to be here. Here you are.
I was a little doubtful at times too, but.
Is this all factory? Like this is how it came for the most part?
Factory.
I don't know these cars at all.
This came out of the barn looking basically just like
really?
that.
I like the fender flares. It's
a factory fender flares. I flared them out a little extra.
I was wondering about that. So they usually go down?
These are usually at like a 90-degree angle here. I flared them a little bit to fit the 295 radial under there. Factory frame front to back.
Have you weighed it?
I haven't weighed it yet.
There's no time for that right now.
The truck weighed 4185 with just about no fuel in it. And this thing should be quite a bit lighter. And the truck went 868 on just 93 octane after driving it to a local track.
Yeah.
So I think this thing's got some potential to fly, but it's going to take a little bit of testing and stuff like that to get it sorted out. But,
well, you got all week.
I got all week.
Got to make it past tomorrow to get another 24 hours.
Yeah.
Sweet. Well, I'll let you get back to work.
Thank you.
Good luck. You got it working. Woo!
Oh, I got to back up.
A little warm.
Hell yeah.
Got it running.
Woo!
Had a little bit of a couple little issues going on. The belt drive fuel pump was having a little issue. Map sensor was actually jumping back and forth.
Really?
So it was going real rich and real lean. So caught it in the highly digital dash there, and I saw that it was moving around. So we addressed that problem. Got another map sensor in there, and we started up for the first time since 1956 yesterday over at Cordova. The guy, Mike Garland over there, he treated us real well. He let us stay up there all night. You know, yeah, they're real good people over there at Cordova. So we got here about 4 o'clock this morning with having to adjust a couple little issues. About a month's worth of work in the last week or so.
Yeah,
trying to get it here. And, I busted my butt for the last 4 or 5 months trying to get this thing done. And there's a couple little pieces like the turbo headers aren't permanent. That's a drag week only type thing. A couple other pieces on there are permanent or temporary.
Yep.
But you know, the
chance to get it done in time. Unfortunately, didn't make it for drag week, but you're here.
Yeah, we're here.
You think we'll see it pass before the end of the week?
Probably by the end of the week. I'll try to make
awesome.
it pass. We just, we're literally started up for the first time since 1956 yesterday.
Exactly. I hope you get it sorted out. I'd love to see it cruise on the road a little bit and maybe make it pass.
Yeah, we'll try to do something here, Kyle.
Congrats, man.
Thank you.
yesterday, right?
1050 was the first pass ever.
And that was like a 9.5, I think.
I wanted to go 9 that pass.
Hell yeah.
Still like no boost in the thing, but I wanted to leave. I'm trying to inch up on it.
That's awesome.
As of yesterday, the fastest I ever went in its entirety ever as a car was like probably about 40 miles an hour.
Yeah,
Yesterday
exactly.
I wanted to ran to the 8th mile. I want a 650 at 102. I just want to make sure steering worked, brakes worked, suspension worked, everything like that.
Yep.
And today I figured give it a little bit of boost, and I don't know how much it was, probably just a couple pounds of boost. It seemed to run a little bit better, so we'll see.
Yeah, it did. It was nice and smooth.
Yeah, it seemed to be traveling real smooth.
We're making a lot quicker progress than the truck, that's for sure.
Yeah, I did this one. I really spent some time doing this car. Well, not time, but I put a lot of time into it.
What a thought.
Yeah, it had wooden wheels on it just over a year ago.
Oh
so,
my God.
Now it's a 25.5 chassis. One more bar, it'll be 25.3 certified. 4-link front suspension with coilovers, leaf springs with cattle tracks in the rear, so it's all stock suspension, front and back, factory frame front to rear. Just a 295 radial was all I could fit in there. And
Yeah.
it seems to be working pretty well.
Yeah, it does.
For,
Interesting to look at the slip, see what the 60 was.
Yeah, it seemed to be a little bit better. I only left on about 1.5, 2 pounds of boost. I was looking at the Alley touchscreen there.
Badass.
It looked like it only left on like 2 pounds of boost, so
Yeah.
we'll see. Well, maybe we'll make another pass or two today and inch up on it.
Well, I'd be happy if I were you.
I'm pretty happy with it. I mean,
Looking good so far.
this was a ground up build, so we'll
Oh,
see.
yeah. Good job, Mick.
Thank you.
Up there, the starting line, 921.8, 143 from Plewniak.
29 to Harry, 70.
That's a lot of work.
Did you just beat the Aussies?
Yeah. Triple O light. Triple O light.
What?
I told him I was going to lay him on the light. I said I don't know if I had the car yet on the third pass ever, but I was going to lay him on the light.
Oh my God. Oh, fuck. How did you pull that off?
That made me kind of a little close. But
That is amazing.
thanks for all the help, buddy.
I'll be the first to tell you that I didn't really think you were going to pull it.
No one did. I had no faith for myself. No one else had no faith. Triple O on the light.
Jesus.
I told him I was going to drill him.
So it's the third pass on the car, and he,
Third pass ever.
oh my God.
It's a setup of like 6 pounds of boost right now.
Yeah.
So it's fuel table's a little off still. I mean, it's literally third pass on the car.
That's great.
It's probably the third time ever in the last, since 1930, this car's gone over 40 miles an hour and 143. So we'll take it for right now.
Sweet.
I'm happy enough.
Make it pass tomorrow?
We might head there. I got a wedding to go to Saturday morning, so we might.
Oh boy.
We gotta go.
We'll show
that
up
way.
tomorrow so you can work on your action time.
I might, right?
I'm just kidding.
Reaction time needs a little work.
I need a little hits on that light.
That's amazing.